It's a 2009 Acura TSX. Driven by those who know that the best way to get from point A to point B isn't always a straight line. It's well equipped with the features you need: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2 inch wider track. At Acura, we manufacture exhilaration so you don't have to. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.